Creating a beautiful home garden. Expert tips and advice. Creating a beautiful home garden. Expert tips and advice is a video that showcases the best tips and advice from gardening experts on how to create a beautiful home garden. In the video, viewers will discover the secrets to creating a stunning and vibrant garden that will impress anyone who visits. The video starts by introducing the gardening experts who will be sharing their knowledge and expertise on creating a beautiful home garden. These experts have years of experience and are passionate about gardening, and viewers can feel their enthusiasm and love for the craft as they share their tips. Throughout the video, viewers will learn about the essential elements of creating a successful garden, including choosing the right plants, soil preparation, watering techniques, and plant care. They will also get advice on how to design and lay out their garden, including choosing the right colors, textures, and styles for a cohesive and stunning look. The experts in the video also discuss the importance of maintaining a healthy garden, including pest control and proper pruning techniques. They share their knowledge on how to deal with common garden problems and how to prevent them from happening in the first place. Overall, creating a beautiful home garden. Expert tips and advice is an informative and inspiring video that is perfect for anyone who loves gardening or wants to create a beautiful and thriving home garden. With expert advice and insider tips, viewers will be able to create a garden that is both beautiful and functional, and that they can enjoy for years to come.